How to keep your lungs healthy. Our lungs are incredible organs that work tirelessly to bring oxygen into our bodies and remove carbon dioxide. From the moment we are born, they help us breathe, speak, laugh, and live. However, we often take our lung health for granted until something goes wrong. Just like our heart, brain, or muscles, our lungs need care and attention to stay strong and function properly. In today's world, where air pollution, smoking, and respiratory illnesses are common, taking steps to keep our lungs healthy is more important than ever. Here are some essential tips and habits you can follow to maintain healthy lungs and improve your quality of life. 1. Don't smoke and avoid secondhand smoke. The single most important thing you can do for your lungs is not to smoke. Cigarette smoke contains over 7,000 harmful chemicals, including toxins that damage lung tissue and increase the risk of lung cancer, chronic bronchitis, and emphysema. Smoking narrows the airways, causes inflammation, and destroys the tiny air sacs in the lungs called alveoli. Even if you don't smoke, being exposed to secondhand smoke can be harmful. Long-term exposure increases the risk of asthma, respiratory infections, and even lung cancer. If you're a smoker, quitting at any age can significantly improve your lung health and reduce your risk of disease. Talk to a doctor or counselor for help. There are many resources available to support your journey. 2. Practice deep breathing. Most people take shallow breaths using only the upper chest. This can limit the lungs' capacity and reduce oxygen flow to the body. Deep breathing exercises strengthen the lungs and help expand their capacity. Try this simple practice. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a few seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat for a few minutes daily. Deep breathing also helps remove stale air from the lungs and replace it with fresh oxygen, which is essential for healthy cells and organs. 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is not just good for your heart and muscles. It's also great for your lungs. When you exercise, your breathing rate increases, and your lungs work harder to bring in more oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Regular aerobic activities like walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing help improve lung efficiency and make breathing easier over time. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity 5 days a week. If you have a lung condition, consult a doctor before starting a new exercise plan. 4. Avoid air pollutants. Clean air is vital for healthy lungs. Exposure to air pollution can irritate the airways and increase the risk of lung diseases, especially in children, older adults, and people with asthma or other respiratory conditions. To protect your lungs, stay indoors on days with high pollution or poor air quality. Use air purifiers in your home. Keep your home clean and dust-free. Avoid burning candles or incense in poorly ventilated areas. Ventilate rooms when cooking or using cleaning products. By reducing your exposure to harmful air, you give your lungs a chance to breathe easier. 5. Prevent respiratory infections. Lung infections like pneumonia, bronchitis, and the flu can be serious, especially for those with weakened immune systems or chronic lung conditions. To protect your lungs from infections, wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Avoid close contact with sick individuals. Get vaccinated, including flu shots and COVID-19 boosters. Eat a healthy diet with lots of fruits and vegetables to boost your immune system. Stay hydrated, which helps thin mucus and keep airways clear. If you do get sick, rest, drink fluids, and seek medical advice if symptoms worsen or don't improve. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight can affect your lung health. Extra fat in the abdominal area can press against the diaphragm and reduce lung expansion, making it harder to breathe. Obesity also increases the risk of conditions like obstructive sleep apnea and asthma. Eating a balanced diet and maintaining a healthy weight can reduce stress on the lungs and improve breathing efficiency. Small changes, such as walking more or reducing portion sizes, can make a big difference over time. 7. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the mucosal linings in the lungs thin, which improves their function. Thin mucus is easier for the lungs to move and expel, which is especially important when clearing out dust, bacteria, or allergens. Aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, unless advised otherwise by a doctor. Herbal teas, soups, and fruits, like watermelon, also contribute to good hydration. 8. Practice good posture. Your posture affects how much air you can take into your lungs. Slouching compresses the lungs, limiting their ability to expand. By sitting or standing upright, you give your lungs more room to function properly. Try this simple stretch. Stand tall with your hands behind your back. Take a deep breath in, lifting your chest. Exhale slowly and repeat a few times. Good posture habits, especially when working at a desk or sitting for long hours, support better breathing and lung expansion. 9. Avoid harmful chemicals. Exposure to chemicals in the workplace or at home can harm your lungs. Paint fumes, cleaning products, pesticides, and industrial dust can irritate or damage the lungs over time. To stay safe, wear a mask or protective gear when handling chemicals. Open windows or use fans for ventilation. Choose natural or non-toxic cleaning products. Avoid spraying chemicals in closed spaces. If you work in an environment with fumes or dust, ask your employer about safety measures and health screenings. 10. Regular health checkups. It's important to monitor your lung health, especially if you have risk factors like smoking history, asthma, or family history of lung disease. Regular checkups can help catch problems early when treatment is most effective. If you experience symptoms like chronic cough, wheezing, shortness of breath, or chest pain, don't ignore them. These may be signs of lung disease and should be evaluated by a healthcare provider. Lung function tests, chest X-rays, or CT scans may be recommended to assess your respiratory health more thoroughly. Final thoughts. Our lungs are essential to our well-being, yet we often forget how fragile they can be. By adopting healthy habits and making small changes in your daily life, you can support your lungs and breathe easier for years to come. Whether it's quitting smoking, breathing deeply, eating well, or protecting yourself from air pollution, every step counts. Your lungs work for you 24/7. It's time to give them the care and attention they deserve. Take a deep breath and start today. Healthy lungs are necessary for a full and active life. Our lungs are vital organs that play a crucial role in keeping us alive and well. Every breath we take brings oxygen into our bodies and removes carbon dioxide, a waste gas. This simple yet powerful process supports every organ, tissue, and cell. Yet lung health is something many people overlook until they face a problem. Whether it's a shortness of breath, a chronic cough, or a serious lung disease, in reality, healthy lungs are necessary for living a full, active, and independent life. Without good lung function, even simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, talking, or laughing can become difficult. Let's explore why lung health is so important and how we can protect and strengthen our lungs to enjoy a better quality of life. 1. Lung supply. Oxygen to the body. Oxygen is essential for survival. Our lungs absorb oxygen from the air we breathe and deliver it to the bloodstream. From there, oxygen is carried to the heart, brain, muscles, and other organs. Without oxygen, these systems cannot function properly. Healthy lungs allow us to breathe deeply and fully, ensuring that every part of the body gets the oxygen it needs to work efficiently. Poor lung function limits oxygen flow, leading to fatigue, dizziness, confusion, and even organ damage over time. 2. Healthy lungs. Help remove waste gases. Just as our lungs bring in oxygen, they also remove carbon dioxide, a harmful waste product created when our cells use energy. If carbon dioxide builds up in the body, it can lead to headaches, weakness, and breathing difficulties. Strong, healthy lungs efficiently eliminate carbon dioxide through each exhale. This balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide is crucial for maintaining a healthy internal environment and proper pH levels in the blood. 3. Lung support. Physical activity. Whether it's playing sports, gardening, walking to the store, or chasing after kids, all physical activities require energy. And energy depends on oxygen. The harder we work, the more oxygen our muscles need, and the more carbon dioxide they produce. Healthy lungs can handle the increased demand by breathing faster and deeper, helping you stay active and strong. On the other hand, weak or damaged lungs can leave you feeling winded and tired after even the smallest efforts. 4. Healthy lungs. Strengthen the immune system. Our lungs play a key role in defending us against germs, bacteria, and viruses. The air we breathe is filled with potential threats, but the respiratory system has built-in defenses like mucus, tiny hairs called cilia, and immune cells that trap and destroy harmful particles. When your lungs are healthy, these defenses work well. But if your lungs are damaged by smoking, pollution, or chronic illness, your body is more vulnerable to infections like colds, flu, pneumonia, or bronchitis. 5. Lung health is linked to longevity. People with strong lungs often live longer and enjoy better quality of life. Research shows that poor lung function is connected to many serious health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and dementia. That's because oxygen is needed not just for breathing, but for every function of the body. Keeping your lungs healthy can help prevent chronic illnesses and improve your chances of living an active, independent life well into old age. 6. Healthy lungs improve mental clarity. Oxygen is crucial for the brain. It fuels thinking, memory, and emotional regulation. When your lungs work well, your brain gets plenty of oxygen, which helps you stay alert, focused, and mentally sharp. Poor lung function, on the other hand, can lead to mental fog, confusion, irritability, and depression. That's why people with chronic lung diseases often experience cognitive challenges alongside physical symptoms. Breathing deeply, exercising regularly, and avoiding pollutants all help protect both your lungs and your mental health. 7. Lung diseases are often silent. At first, one of the dangers of lung problems is that many symptoms develop slowly. People may ignore a persistent cough or mild shortness of breath, thinking it's just part of aging or being out of shape. However, early lung damage can go unnoticed for years until it becomes serious. That's why it's important to pay attention to your breathing and take preventive steps, such as not smoking, staying active, and getting regular health checkups. Being proactive is the key to catching issues early and preserving your lung health for the long term. 8. Pollution and modern life. Threaten lung health. Air pollution, industrial chemicals, secondhand smoke, and allergens are all part of modern life. Unfortunately, these pollutants can irritate and damage your lungs over time. In cities with high pollution levels, even breathing the air can increase the risk of asthma, lung cancer, and respiratory infections. It's more important than ever to protect yourself. Avoid walking near busy roads during peak traffic hours. Use air purifiers at home. Wear a mask when exposed to dust or chemicals. Choose clean household products. Your lungs are the first organs to face environmental toxins. Make sure to shield them whenever you can. 9. Breathing techniques can support lung health. Simple breathing exercises like diaphragmatic breathing, pursed lip breathing, and box breathing help strengthen the lungs and improve oxygen flow. These techniques are especially helpful for people recovering from illness or managing conditions like asthma, COPD, or anxiety. Practicing these exercises daily can improve lung capacity, reduce shortness of breath, and help you feel calmer and more energized. 10. Everyone needs healthy lungs, not just athletes. While athletes and fitness enthusiasts often focus on lung health to improve performance, the truth is that everyone benefits from strong lungs. Whether you're a student, office worker, retiree, or stay-at-home parent, your lungs support every moment of your life. From waking up in the morning to falling asleep at night, from talking with loved ones to laughing at a funny story. All of it depends on your ability to breathe easily and fully. Protect yourself from infections. Your lungs serve you every day. Now it's your turn to take care of them. Start today, breathe deeply, and enjoy the freedom that comes with strong, healthy lungs.